Here's the detailed product data complete with the product name, the reviews, the rating, when company was founded, their Twitter, their LinkedIn, how many employees they have on LinkedIn, and very detailed data like the categories, the plans that they have, the features they have got, the detailed features they have got, what is the star rating distribution, also the initial reviews, and all the companies or products that belongs to a certain categories like market automation, which you will be able to get after watching this video. If you've ever tried scrapping G2, you know what looks really simple on paper is a completely different story when it comes to production. Scrapping G2 seems simple, right? Just go to the website, grab whatever data you need, and you're done, isn't it? But if you try to do it at scale, scrapping multiple G2 products, you're going to run into various challenges. G2 is going to block you, it is going to give you captchas or pages that never seems to load, page timeouts. So to resolve all of these issues, you can use solutions like Playwright Puppeteer, use residential proxies, or write complex selectors, but they could break next month. So let me show you a really easy way to get G2 data in the next 5 minutes, and you don't have to maintain any complex selectors month over month to get back the G2, and you can get it in the 5 minutes only. Let's run. If you want detailed data like this one, to get such kind of detailed data, we need to use Python, and to make our life simple, and so we don't have to write any complex selector code, we're going to take help of an API called G2 Scrapper API by Omkar Cloud. It's been developed by Omkar Cloud. It has been rated excellent. Also, to use this API, you just have to sign up on Omkar Cloud. You're going to get 100 requests free every month, which is really nice. Just go to dashboard and search for G2. Then go to the G2 Scrapper API page. So this API has got two endpoints which are going to help us. First is the products endpoint. This endpoint is going to get us the detailed product data, and the another API endpoint which of interest is the categories endpoint. So this is going to get all products that belongs to a certain category such as marketing automation and so on. So we are going to use the product details endpoint, this one. So I'm just going to copy these two things. I'm just going to paste it in here. So we want the detailed data about Postman. Now let me just run it. So we're going to run this code, which is going to fetch the data from the API and it's going to deposit it in the response.json. So we have got detailed data back about Postman. As you can see, we have also got a company ID, when it was founded, year, reviews, rating, the detailed features it has got, and initial reviews we have got, all the LinkedIn which is also there, and also we have Twitter. So these are quite interesting data that is also very useful to us, and also the company location. Now let us find out how we can get all the companies that belongs to a category. Just go there, and there's an endpoint for it. It's the categories endpoint. We are going to use it, and we're going to get data for the marketing automation category on G2. Send, and I've got back the response. So we have got 429 categories. By the way, 429 is the code for too many requests. So yeah, that's quite an interesting insight as well. And as you can see that we have got detailed data, all of these categories. This is very detailed data we have got. So we have the users, it's relevant for the industry, the market segment, and such kind of data. And there are 2000 plus categories on G2. You can get it all from this API endpoint. Now, if you really want to make your life simple and don't write any complex code to get all of that data, then you're in the right place. You can simply use this API. You're gonna get 100 requests free every month. I simply have to sign up on Omkar Cloud. Omkar has been rated excellent on Trustpilot, so in great company as well. Thank you and have a great day.